from one ear to the other ear because he has got what he wanted. Boleh lah. Kayak apa pula?
Benta kasngi khat ar tarik uyayong arja arpu ar bon ngot ki rangba snong nak snong khaput ki badan Haka Ribhoi district kila wansa secretariat Haka sngi ba ar banya kendu yo menteri rangba kajalla banya kren halor ka saskolar pen put haki snong khaput ka barang sudam kadai ka kun hon jagi rangba ka kun thup yo basan nong se ba en thangkhiu bolet kumu trai jaka nolor ki we ki ri rangba ki bam sem la yo la satya banya kendu yo menteri rangba nakadaw ba kim sem la pentip lupa ni bo appointment kita ki clear nong sensa da ka bensem ka bakhia bat khuslai kila pen pa bakim kwa dalai ru bakin let ke so bat ka asam batkin simlot ikilat hilenti ban persa e jing IT ya ki Jaka ki putas asam
mata kumbang ila batai bagi dan gini 5 parameters tabun gini parameters ru ki breu jungi ki satisfy lot lalu ka historical ethnicity bar khoi ka convenience ki bar khoi ki dan ki khoi nrai mata da ki Shillong ki you decide without going into that 1876 kalong important bar kani 1876 ka kata lang ya ka next phase bi ka next phase karon sa ka kani ka desh dombria ka right dombria ka tar ka wei na ki right ke ba hap ko ka jipai jungi basan pat ka badai nim sa ka image no mata ka himamelia di kani kadai karat ke bahaya nadu nang ni berni Singapura tetar kani kadai ka second phase dalam mentah di base nak kita ke 1876 kin suya dek kuntu na po ayu kani kan pon pau jing sa po 1876 nomor ba ya kani ka domria ya kani ka right domria nomor ba kini ka slabar fight kadai ba ki base na po 1876 na mentah ki ignore lupa ya kani mut ngi ngila apa ngila do lupa ya di domria ru nomor ku makalong hi ki brio nadu mentaru dan naka ayu jongki ya nyam karu kom jongki bat makir kilong willing ba banginuan bat ngi sangi ni la pelut ke pisah ban le cedu Supreme Court nomor ba ka ni ka matar kalong ba ka private ka individual kalan jungi ti hable cedu Supreme Court nari menta ka walungo pat mnu ba ka sarkar Meghalaya pat nolor ba khamsim ka concern ka khamsim ka jingbit ka jing tang ka ketian na ketian jungi meru khamsim meru nari menta ka ni Jaka la chu ala ka ai be cha asam kata ka ikai lo ma solungo menta si wan ban submit ka ni memorandum tuma siam pat yang ba sambu ka appointment ka daw ngim la ma ni kadui
Haka ni gajuk kasngi nakal yang ka Congress ki badan lang Haka ni kasngi kila kan tho jur halor katai ka jingle jong sarkar jalla.
What is the signature of two chief ministers? Because this is a constitutional process, it has to go to Parliament. The survey has to be done, and the people, you will not allow survey, I think. Will you allow survey karne ko dega usko ko? Nahi dega. They cannot go to phase 2. Namar balai, there are 5 principles applied here. Principles of ethnicity, geographical contiguity, historical background, legal issues, etc. In fact, when they decided this 6 areas, they said that they have abided by this. Kila yang halor kini ginong rim ringi lap baki kramya. Where in history, if they had stood on these principles which they had outlined, then why was 1876 not taken into consideration? Because 1876 is the beginning of everything. Why was it not taken into consideration? Okay, you want to give land to Assam, but it must be clear. It must be very clear.